Hi, this is from Source University. This is a job opening for the technology backend developer. The company is still startup. The location is India. The responsibilities are design, develop, and maintain highly capable of efficient backend system that power our AI applications. The requirements are bachelor's and master's degree in computer science, engineering, or related IT fields. 3+ years of proven experience in backend development. The second technology is Oracle Database Developer. That's for the role Senior Associate. The location is Bangalore. The company name is State Street. Work on small and medium level databases on BI reporting, enhancement task, testing and validation activities, support functionalities, and database on BI platforms and finance applications. The third technology is Lead Consultant, ServiceNow Virtual Agent for the company Genpact. The location will be Hyderabad, Telangana. Configure and workflow configure, implement virtual agent, offer and ServiceNow, develop customer conversation, manage ServiceNow instance, upgrade and improve its performance, be a key member of overall implementation project team. The essential qualification needed is expert in one of JS framework in like regular JS or React JS. Demonstrate success complication complex projects on time. The fourth technology will be software engineer. The company Kyndryl India. Location is Bangalore, urban Karnataka. The roles and responsibilities are employee is in the role define and use design documentation function program specification and high level design and documentation to implement identified components as well. The required technicals are MQ admin, location is Bangalore, shift timings will be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Candidate should have minimum 4 years of experience. The required education is bachelor's degree or master's degree. The location is India, Karnataka. The location is Bangalore. The fifth technology is RDBMS developer for the company MI-GSO for the location Bangalore. We are seeking a skilled RDBMS developer with experience in MS SQL Server to design, develop, and maintain data models and data solution. The ideal candidate will have a strong foundation in SQL development and experience with ETL flow design and developments. They are in need of 3 to 5 years of experience candidate in RDBMS development to focus on MS SQL Server. The links will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to our Source University channel for more job details. Thank you.